Hey everybody, it's your boy JB and I'm back once again. This time we're making my wonderful char grilled preserved peppers recipe. Put some chopped peppers skin down in a grill pan. Using a weight, keep the pepper skin in contact with the grill pan. Flip the peppers over and do the same thing on the other side. Flip it over again and do it on the other side for the third time. You should do this approximately 5 minutes for each run. Put the peppers in a bowl and cover with cling film. Leave it for around 15 minutes more. Put the peppers in some water and rub off the skin with your fingers. Place the peppers into a pot with a tight fitting lid. And fill the pot with olive oil till you completely cover the peppers. As always, if you like what you've seen here, please give a thumbs up to the video or subscribe on my many social media channels. If you like your recipes in written format, go to fatladfood.co.uk, and if you wish to support me, please buy some merch at shop.fatladfood.co.uk.